Hello everyone, welcome to our first lecture for the course number ECON-367 and the course title is Financial Management in Agribusiness. The credits for this course are 2 plus 1. The syllabus is already sent to your WhatsApp group. So today we are going to start our theory syllabus. In the theory syllabus, the first two lectures are for agriculture finance, its meaning, definition, nature and scope, and importance of agricultural finance. So let's start with the meaning of agriculture finance. What is meant by agriculture finance? Agriculture finance generally means studying, examining and analyzing the financial aspects pertaining to farm business, which is the core sector of the country. Okay, let's see. Farm business is the core sector of the country. In that particular sector, what are the financial aspects? Okay, that financial aspects are studying, examining and analyzing in the agricultural finance. Okay, the agricultural finance includes money matters relating to production of agricultural products and their disposal. Okay, financial aspects includes the money matters related to the production of different agricultural products and their disposal. When we speak of financial aspects in agriculture, in that we are considering the issues that figures are capital required for agriculture and the way through which the necessary funds are raised and the pattern of utilization of funds so raised. Okay, these are the some aspects related to finance in agriculture. Okay, this is the meaning of agriculture finance. Then next one is the definition of agriculture finance. Okay, scientist Murray in 1953 has defined the agriculture finance as it is an economic study of borrowing funds by farmers, of the organization and operation of farm lending agencies and of society's interest in credit for agriculture. Okay, this definition is given by Murray. Then another one definition is given by the scientist Tandon and Dhondal in 1962. According to them, the agriculture finance as a branch of agriculture economics which leads with the provision and management of bank services and financial resources related to individual farm units. Okay, what they say? It is the branch of agriculture economics in which we are going to study the provisions and management of bank services. What are the different bank services? What are their provisions and how they manage? Okay, and what are the financial resources related to individual farm units are come under the branch of agriculture finance. Okay, these are the two definitions given by different scientists. Then next one is the nature and scope of agriculture finance. In that agriculture finance is viewed both at macro level and micro level. At the macro level, this macro finance deals with the different sources of raising funds for agriculture as a whole in economy, and it is also concerned with the lending procedures, rules, regulations, monitoring and controlling procedures of different agricultural institutions. Okay. Macroeconomics deals with the different sources of raising fund which is required for agriculture, okay, as a whole in economy. It is also concerned with the different lending procedures of the finance, their rules, what are the regulations, then monitoring and controlling procedures of different agriculture institutions. Thus, macrofinance pertains to financing agriculture at the aggregate of the individual farm business units, and it is concerned with the study as to how the individual farm considers various sources of credit to be borrowed from each source and how he allocates the same among the alternative uses within the farm. Okay, that's why in sum we can say the farm finance deals with the aspects related to the total credit needs of the agriculture sector. The terms and conditions under which the credit is available and the methods of using the total credit for the development of agriculture. Okay, these all are come under the macrofinance. On the contrary, microfinance refers to the financial management of the individual farm industry or individual farm business. In short, we can say the macrofinance is dealing with the whole economy, okay, or the different whole agriculture sector, okay, you can say whole agriculture sector, and microeconomics is the financial management of the individual farm business. Okay, this is the nature and scope of agriculture finance. Then the last point of this lecture is importance of agriculture finance. Okay, the agriculture finance or farm finance assumes a vital importance in agro-socio-economic development of the country, both at individual, that is we can say micro level, and at aggregate, that is macro level. Its catalytic role strengthens the farming business and augments the productivity of scarce resources. Okay. Agriculture finance plays an catalytic role to strengthening the farm business or farming business and augmenting the productivity of scarce resources. What are the different scarce resources? Their productivity can be increased through agriculture finance. Okay. The next one, third importance is application of new technological inputs obtained through farm finance helps boost agricultural productivity. Okay, what are the different new technologies inputted in the agriculture through the farm finance? It helps to boost agricultural productivity. Okay, the next one, acceleration to farm assets and farm supporting infrastructure provided by the large scale financial investment activities entail increased farm income levels, lending to the overall improvement in the living standard of rural masses. Okay. Farm assets, acceleration to farm assets and farm supporting infrastructure provided by the large scale financial investment activities. Okay. What are the different large scale financing investment activities which are helpful to the farm assets and farm supporting infrastructure through which we can increase the farm income levels, through which it leads to the overall improvement in the living standard of the rural masses. Okay. Next we can say the farm finance can also contribute to reduction in regional economic imbalances and is equal good at narrow down the inter-farm assets and wealth variation. Okay. Through farm finance we can reduce, or we can say we can reduce the regional economic imbalance, okay, through which we can achieve the growth of farm sector. Then farm finance is the money extended to the farmers to stimulate the productivity of limited farm resources. Okay. What are the limited farm resources the farmer which has? That can be extended through the farm finance. It is not a mere loan or credit of advance, it is an instrument to promote the well-being of the society. Okay, farm finance or agriculture finance, it is not a mere loan or credit of advance, it is an instrument to promote the well-being of the society. Okay, this is an importance of agriculture finance. Then next one, farm finance is not just a science to manage the money, but it is an applied science of allocating scarce resources to derive the optimum output. Okay, this is farm finance is not just a science to manage the money, but it is the applied science, okay, through which we can allocate the scarce resources to derive the optimum output. Then, thus, the role of farm finance in strengthening and development of both input and output markets in agriculture is crucial and significant. Okay. Through above importance, we can say the farm finance play a important role in strengthening and development of both input and output markets in the agriculture is crucial and significant. Okay. Then Indian agriculture is still traditional, subsistence and stagnant in nature. Okay. Indian agriculture is still traditional, subsistence and stagnant in nature. Hence, agriculture finance is need to create the supporting infrastructure for adoption of new technology. Okay. Here, the Indian agriculture is, there are some features of Indian agriculture, still it is traditional, subsistence and stagnant. Okay. So, to overcome these problems or these features, the agriculture finance is need to create the supporting infrastructure through which the new technologies can be adopted. Okay. The next one is the massive investment is needed to carry out major and minor irrigation projects, rural electrification and energization, installation of fertilizer and chemical plants, execution of agricultural promotional programs and poverty alleviation programs in the country. Okay. The massive investment is required in certain sectors or in certain projects, likewise major and minor irrigation projects, rural electrification and energization, then installation of fertilizer and chemical plants, execution of agriculture promotional programs and poverty alleviation programs in the country. Okay. These are the some importance of agricultural finance. So, thank you.